Most parents come to us because they noticed crooked teeth, but some of the most important reasons to bring your child in have nothing to do with how their teeth look. Snoring, mouth breathing, restless sleep, headaches, difficulty chewing, a jaw that clicks or shifts, a chin that seems small, or a face that looks unbalanced. These are all signs that something may be off with how the jaws are growing, and they're all things we evaluate as part of a comprehensive consultation. Orthodontics is about a lot more than just a straight smile. It's about how your child grows, breathes, and functions. Come to Anchor Orthodontics and let us take a look. No referral needed, with offices in Providence and Wakefield.